Hi, welcome back to the shop. You might remember this guy. This is a carbide circular saw blade, and I showed this in the saw arbor video. And I mentioned that these cut very freely in aluminum and you can feed them quite aggressively. And somebody in the comments, of course, asked if I could show this. And why not? Might be a nice, short, interesting video. These saw blades, this one is branded by Proxxon. It's a 24 teeth and it's about 1.5 millimeters thick. And you're allowed to run these up to 12,000 RPM. They have a 10 millimeter bore, and normally they are for the small table saws. You see blades like this also in those miniature handheld circular saws used to cut laminate and stuff like that. So you get these blades everywhere. In every hardware store you should be able to source those, and they are not very expensive. I run it at about 1000 RPM in aluminum, and that's a surface speed of, let's see, we have 1000 RPM. A diameter of 80 millimeters, and that gives us 400 meters per minute surface speed. That's quite good for aluminum, so let's check this up. I clamped it on my saw arbor, and the new made saw arbor, and we're going to clamp this in a 12 millimeter collet. Doesn't look dangerous at all, doesn't it? So this is really dangerous. Keep your fingers away from those saw blades. This will cut off your fingers like nothing. It will make quite a mess, so don't do it. So let's set it up. Okay, there we go. The saw blade and the spindle, the piece of aluminum strap. This is 10 millimeter plate in the vise, and I have a piece of 3 millimeter Lexan here to keep the chips under control. There we go. It's loud and it's fast. You saw me hand feeding it pretty fast through the material. But it also leaves quite a nice finish for a sawn surface. This saw blade also works very well in plastic and stuff like that. We can do a test cut in plastic too. Okay, this should be a PA6 polyamide. And we're going to cut it with the same settings. Works like a treat. Surface finish is quite neat. Of course, this is not really a finished surface, but in some cases this might be good enough. And it doesn't produce very much burr. It's a pretty cold cut because of the heavy chip load. So, hope you found that interesting. Those saw blades are cheap and work very well in soft materials. I would not try to cut steel with them. I think the carbide will shatter or chip. So, thank you for watching. See you next time.